Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you in Instagram how you can ask a question. So open Instagram, pick story, browse a pic, so scroll down to the video or picture you want to post. Okay, on the top you can see a sticker button. Click there. You can see question. Click here. Ask the question you want to ask. And ask up. Or anorak. Okay, now you click done. When you're done, you can change the position and all. Make it straight. When you're done, click send. Send to your story. Share. Done. Okay, so let's click story button. Okay, so this is it guys. Likewise you can ask a question in Instagram. Thanks for watching the video.